wanted to share with you my experience of growing Tulsi or holy basil here in the UK. So holy basil is a plant that's found in India, and it's something that we use a lot in Ayurveda. We have a lot of basils, different types of basil that grow in Europe, and we can enjoy using those, but it's quite fun to try and grow yourself Tulsi. I found last year that it grew really well during that gorgeous hot summer that we had here in the UK, but come the winter it was a little bit hard to carry the plants through the winter. I think I probably just didn't have quite the right windowsill for them, and it wasn't quite warm enough. I did, however, manage to bring 2 plants through the winter, and they're doing really well. But this year I thought I would try again, see if it was beginner's luck or whether my technique was quite good. So it's worked again. So I wanted to share with you how I've done it. So I've got these lovely seeds from Victoriana Nursery, and this is the same packet incidentally that I had last year. And I'll just show you, I poured some into a cup here to show you how small the seeds are. So they're really small, cute little seeds. A few go very far, there's a lot in the packet. And the success that I had came through using this type of tub. So this is an old food container, and the thing with it is it's got no drainage, so no drainage holes in the bottom, and this relatively tight fitting lid. So I literally put my soil in there. I didn't really fuss about a particular type of soil, but put the soil in there, literally sprinkled the seeds on top, covered it very lightly with a little bit of soil from around the edge, and then I gave it a little water, popped the lid on, and then put it on a sunny windowsill. And that was really the key, I think. It needs this combination of moisture and regular heat, which just a sunny windowsill seems to have done the trick. So I did exactly the same this year. This was probably, I think, around 3 weeks ago, possibly 3.5 weeks now, and you can see how well they've germinated, and I think they'll go on to produce some lovely plants. So I'm now going to take those little seedlings and transplant them on. So I've already put one in there, and I'll put a few more in there, let them grow a bit bigger, and then I'll put them in their own individual pots. So Tulsi in Ayurveda, or basil in general, we say it's a sattva herb. It brings about harmony, particularly in the body, but very much in the mind and the senses. And it does this through the connection with the respiratory system. So we see that it's a really fantastic herb for moving congestion out of the upper respiratory tract. So both from the chest and also from the nasal passages, and it helps in fevers too. So when there's a lot of congestion, then it's a great herb to use. We also see that it helps clear what we call vata out of the colon, so it helps that nerve conduction in and around and through the colon. And by working with that area, working with the chest and our respiration, then that gives this clarity of mind and clarity of senses that can come. So we can use it in the kitchen with making hot infusions, hot teas with it, number of leaves into a pot with some warm water. We can also just eat it, just the leaves themselves, or with basil, the kind of European basil, obviously adding it very liberally to different dishes is a fantastic way to consume it. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, if you found it helpful, please feel free to like, please feel free to subscribe, and of course share.